Xiaomi has announced the Mi 6X, a new phone for China. The phone sees Xiaomi start using 18:9 displays in the middle of its range after the recent launch of the more affordable Redmi 5 line and the high-end Mi Mix 2S. The Mi 6X has an 18:9 2160 by 1080 LCD, a Snapdragon 660 processor, a dual-camera setup with a 20-megapixel main sensor, a 20-megapixel selfie camera with a flash, a fingerprint sensor on the rear, USB-C, and no headphone jack. It's 7.3 mm thick, weighs 166 grams, and comes in black, red, blue, gold, and pink. Pricing starts at 1,599 yuan, about $250 USD or 17,000 Indian rupees. Though the 6X is focused on China, it could hint at an important upcoming device for India and other big markets for Xiaomi. Last year's Mi 5X eventually morphed into the Mi A1 outside of China, marking Xiaomi's first Android One phone and one that marked a turning point for Google's program, which previously targeted very low-end devices. Could we soon see this 6X running stock Android, rebranded as the Mi A2, and sold elsewhere around the world? It's very possible.